The 10 most unsafe and expensive cars to maintain. When it comes to buying a car, we all want to feel like we're making a smart investment. But what if I told you some cars on the market are nothing short of financial disasters? We've got the 10 worst cars that no one buys according to Consumer Reports. 10. Chevrolet Blazer. At first glance, the Chevy Blazer seems appealing with its bold design and tech features. But it falls short. Priced steeply at $44,000, fuel efficiency is underwhelming at 20 mpg, and rapid depreciation adds to its costs. It struggles with engine stalling, electrical issues, and poor reliability, especially in 2020 to 2021 models. Electrical faults, infotainment system failures, dead batteries and wiring problems. Owners also face high insurance premiums, expensive repairs, and subpar crash test results. Comment below, would you ever risk buying a Blazer? 9. Lincoln Aviator. It starts at around $53,000 and goes up to $88,000 for the Black Label Edition. Fuel economy is another letdown at just 18 mpg combined. Common problems: many models from 2020, 2021, 2022, and 2024 have had recalls for serious issues including electrical system problems and faulty airbags. The Aviator doesn't perform as well as competitors like the BMW X5 or Audi Q7, making it a hard pass. If you're spending this much money, you expect better efficiency. Before we continue, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more no-nonsense car reviews. 8. Volvo XC60. The Volvo XC60 is a stylish compact SUV priced at $53,000. Fuel efficiency is average at 22 mpg combined but feels underwhelming for the price. Transmission problems and engine stalling are common complaints. Owners report frequent failures in the infotainment system, and even driver assist features often malfunction. The 2024 model alone has faced 3 major recalls. 7. Rivian R1T. Starting at $71,700, it's not cheap. The 314-mile range is decent, but Rivian's unique connector and limited charging stations make long trips challenging. Owners report software glitches, suspension problems, and delays in repairs. Charging interruptions and limited technician availability make the R1T feel more like a gamble than a reliable choice. In 2024, the R1T faced 4 recalls, including airbag and accelerator pedal issues. 6. Polestar 2. An electric vehicle priced at $49,900, combining sedan styling with hatchback practicality. The EPA estimated range of 270 miles lags behind rivals like the Tesla Model 3. Owners report frequent glitches in the Google-powered infotainment system. Safety is solid, but 2021 through 2022 models faced recalls for battery problems that could shut down the high-voltage system. 5. Ford Bronco. Prices start at $39,600. Fuel economy is another downside, averaging just 17 mpg. Recalls affect several models due to cracked fuel injectors that could cause fires. Owners also report transmission problems and noisy engines. 4. Buick Encore. Starting price, $26,000. Fuel efficiency is decent at 25 mpg, the 1.4L turbocharged engine feels underpowered. Transmission issues, air conditioning failures, and electrical system problems lead to expensive repairs. 3. Dodge Durango. Starts at around $40,000. It suffers from poor fuel economy, averaging just 15 mpg with the V8 engine. Reports of engine failures and exhaust manifold issues, along with below-average safety scores and high maintenance costs, make it an expensive vehicle to own. 2. Fiat 500L. Starting at $24,000. Fuel economy, 25 mpg. Transmission failures, engine stalling, and high depreciation rates make it a poor financial decision. This compact car was discontinued in 2021 due to poor sales. 1. Nissan Frontier. A mid-sized truck priced at $29,000 with a mixed reputation. Fuel economy is disappointing at 18 mpg. Transmission problems, some models suffer catastrophic failures before the 100.000 kilometers. Older models are especially problematic, with transmission failures, engine issues, and defective airbags. Newer models offer smoother rides but still fall short compared to competitors. The 10 worst cars that no one buys. These are the worst cars that no one buys according to Consumer Reports. While these vehicles may seem like good deals, they come with hidden costs and major issues. Which car did you like? I impressed you the most? Have you ever thought about what the worst cars would be? Comment. Hit the button, like, subscribe and activate notifications to never buy a car with serious problems again in the market. Don't miss what's coming next. See you in the next video, and drive safe.